So guys, we standing outside of Cyprus Historic and Classic Motor Museum. Okay, they give you a glass of water and entrance after you pay coffee, tea, and everything. And the price to go on the inside is only 15 euros, which I find to be fairly cheap. You know, they have a lot of really nice cars. You guys should check it out. We have here some of the most oldest cars in Cyprus from 1989, 1991, 1989, 1983, 1979, guys. Listen, we have relics here. We even have luxury cars. I'm not gonna lie, these guys giving material of it. This one here is a taxi. This one here is a nice taxi. I would like to get ready now and there. But guys, listen, I'm gonna show you some pictures, some videos of what I have inside here. So stay tuned. We're here at Cyprus Motor Car Museum.